Rod Hinks looking for one more. The shot, rebound for Moore. Armstrong out front, can't smash it into the net, and finally Zalazko will hold on. With 3 shots there by the Wolves.
And Hinks comes in late and pushes Gagnon. He has lost control of his senses. McKay trying to grab onto Sean Gagnon. It looks like he's trying to wrestle a steer there. And the linesman, McKay,